everyone. Welcome to our look at the binary options markets for the week of August 3rd. As you can see, we come right out of the gate with manufacturing PMI numbers out of Europe. More importantly, though, out of Great Britain, Germany, and the United States. So that should move all major markets. We believe that will move the DAX, the Euro, the FTSE, and the U.S. indices. A little later in the day, we get a couple other minor ISM numbers out of the U.S. Really not a lot to worry about. We get an RBA rate statement on Tuesday, but that is going to overshadow the decision. Not necessarily looking for a cut, just looking for some type of general distinction as to where the Australians see the Asian economy is going. However, though, keep in mind that recently the Kiwis cut and a little bit of a surprise, so there is that possibility. Certainly won't see raised rates, though. Factory orders come out later that day out of the U.S. could move the U.S. stock market slightly. Probably not a big deal, though. As we get into the Wednesday session, we get China Services PMI. It can move stock markets worldwide if it's really off the mark. We get the ADP employment change, which is the precursor to the jobs number out of the U.S. And as we drift through the Wednesday session, we start to get close to the end of the week. And that generally means very little movement. We've got crude oil here on Wednesday, the stocks change, so that could move crude oil specifically, but that's a market that's in a downtrend anyway, so really at this point in time, any rally is just going to be a put buying opportunity. As we get into Thursday, at that point in time, we have an interest rate decision out of the UK. The minutes are probably more important. And then, of course, we should slip right into Friday. And at that point in time, it's going to be about the one announcement that it always is. And that, of course, is non-farm payrolls. That, of course, moves everything. And with that, we feel that the market should be very volatile. One of our favorite indices at the moment is the NASDAQ. Every time it pulls back, it's a call buying opportunity. We have a perfect uptrend here, and that has not changed. The weekly candle is starting to form a hammer. That's a very bullish sign as well. In Germany, we have a hammer as well, so it looks like transatlantically speaking, stock markets in general should have a very positive week. And finally, the euro went back and forth with a slightly positive tone. We feel that this market's probably going to just bounce around between 1.08 and 1.12. In the meantime, expect a lot of volatility and a lot of back and forth short-term trading. And with that, we've taken a look at the August 3rd trading week.